Hello. I know it's been a while. Did you miss me? I've been really busy working on a big painting, but today we're going to do a bloom, and we're going to do it on one of my budget canvases. And even though, I sprayed the back. Okay, I always tape the back of my canvases, and then I spray them just to tighten them up, just like that. And then usually you can pretty much see the corners tighten up, but this one has been pushed on probably so much that it won't tighten up anymore. So usually when you have a canvas like that, you have to price it accordingly. But anyway, I'm waiting for my powders to come. These kind of powders. Remember we did a bloom with my not polish powders, but just nail art powders. Well, I want to do another bloom, and I'm waiting for them to come in the mail, and they're not here yet, so we're just going to do another one on a budget canvas. So we're going to kind of do this one monochromatic. I've chosen black, silver, white, and I've done a tint of phthalo green. So basically like a turquoise. Just I added a pearlescent white to phthalo green. Okay. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to use 2 cell activators. Let's put on the black first. Now, this is Amsterdam paint. Has to be Amsterdam. This is black oxide with Floetrol, American Floetrol. And this is 2 to 3 drops of Minwax wood conditioner. Okay. I'm trying to keep these separate so I know, well, I know which is which anyway. And this is the titanium white from Amsterdam. Same mixture with the Floetrol and the wood conditioner. All right. Now I'm going to mute for you for the hair dryer so you don't have to. All right, hair dryer. Here we go. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out for when it blows, and you don't want to break it. So I found that out. All right. See, I didn't blow it out as far. You know, I kept my hair dryer on a lower setting, and as soon as I started to see this kind of lacing, that's when I pulled up the hair dryer so I wasn't blowing on it anymore, so that I didn't break this lacing. You want to keep it. So that was a very helpful tidbit of information that I learned from this one lady I just happened to click on YouTube. Now my center is gathering. That looks pretty good. My trusty straw. You ready for a spin? Let's go for a spin. Oh, I should wear my gloves. You guys should be able to yell out at me, Christine, Christine, put on your gloves. Okay, gloves, action. That's cool. I think it could be stretched more though. Oh boy. Well, I'm not too crazy about that. Okay. Didn't like it. We're gonna flip it over on itself. Okay. Let's start with the silver. There was a lot of silver in that. All right. Okay. Very little paint left. Seriously, I have very little paint left here. See, I had that kind of a center before. I just wanted to create cells. I don't know what that's going to do. Probably the same thing it did last time. It looks all gray and weird. Maybe I can embellish something in the middle. I'm starting to get those strange results. Boy, that silver sure shows up. That silver. What do you think? I just don't know. I don't think it looks all that great. And I'm kind of out of options here. I'm out of paint. What do you think? Well, it is what it is. Some of them don't turn out all the time, but